Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to open zip files on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to open a zip file on Telegram, all you gotta do is simply download your Telegram app. So once you have done this, you need to simply go to your Telegram chat or group where the zip file is located and simply download it on your device. So now once you have downloaded that file, simply open the Files by Google or your preferred file manager app. So once you have opened it as well, find the downloaded zip file within the file manager. So simply tap on the file, like tap on the zip file and tap on the extract option. Once you tap on extract, you can choose where to extract the files to, and you can also choose to delete the original zip file after the extraction. Once this is done, you need to tap on Done to complete the extraction process. So this is how you can open zip files on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.